Hey, this is Linda here from Webbles. In the last video, I showed you how you can install Divi and the Divi Child theme and then upload the layouts that go with the child theme. To be able to see them, we have to make a menu and some pages. But before we do that, I just need to make some quick changes in the settings of my WordPress website. So this is something you have to do too, so let's do it together. So when you're logged into your website, you go to Settings and then to General. And then you change the site title to your own brand name or your name. And then you change the tagline. So when that's done, you can check the format of your date and the time format, and also check the administration email address if that's correct. All right, so that's the email address where you want to receive emails when something is going on your website. Then we're going to Reading. And here we need to make some changes because now you see your latest posts, but you want to have people land on a static page, which will be your home page. But before we can do this, we have to make the pages. So we come back here later. Then you want to make a decision if you want people to be able to comment on your posts. So you can adjust the settings here. I will leave it like this for now. And then we go to permalinks, which is pretty important that your permalink settings are right for your machines will find you. We want this to be like this. So post name, and then we save changes. So that's it. And now we are going to make some pages, but I will do it on the front end so I can make a menu and the pages at the same time. That's faster. So I go to the front end and then I click on Theme Customizer. And then I go to Menus and I create a new menu, which I will call Main. And I'll click it here on primary menu, so it will be shown here. And then I click Next. And then I'm going to add some items. And I will be adding pages. This is a custom link. We don't want this. We want a real page that's called Home. So we add it. And then we have free. And that's a custom link. So we click on custom link. And then we type here this icon, and then the link text will be free. Free stuff, I will call it free stuff. And then we add another page, which is called ebook. Trying to remember all the pages that are made for you. And we just drag it a bit to the side so it's under the free stuff. Then we add another custom link. And we call it services, add to menu, and then another page, and I will call it, you can call it the name of your service, and I will call it lead page 1. And we'll drag it to the side so it's under there. And then I will add some more pages. We have services, then we have a blog page. We have a blog page, and we have about me. You can add the pages that you want. You don't have to use them all. We have testimonials. And we have contact. And that's it. So now the pages are made. So I don't have to do that because they're already here. And then I publish the menu. And as you can see, the menu has all the items that I just made. And when I have a drop down for the ebook and the services. All right. So I'll go back to the back end. And I'll click on settings, reading. And then here I will make the static page the home page. And that's it. I'll save the changes. And then when I go to the front end, I see the home page. And now I can upload the pages that I just uploaded to the website in the former video. All these pages are in the library. I'll choose the pre-made layout. And then I'll go to my saved layouts, which is the library. And then I'm searching for the home page. I'll click on the home page, click on use these layouts. And there you have it. It's been uploaded. So then I can save it for now. And then I exit the visual builder. And there it is, the demo page, ready to be changed. So you can do this for all the other pages. You just go to the page, we'll do it one more time to show you, and then you can do all the other pages. Enable the visual builder. Choose pre-made layout, your saved layouts. And in this case, I will search for the free ebook. Use this layout. And then I will save it. And exit the visual builder. That's it for this video, and in the next video I will show you how we can adjust the header, the look and feel of the menu, and I will also show you how you can put in your own logo and all other little things that you can do to the header changes. Okay, I hope to see you in the next video. This is it for this one. Bye.